every day, every morning. And our official referee for tonight, Referee Romel from New Zealand. And Action John. Ball game! Ball game! First position of the scene. Turnover again. Turnover. First turnover on the atom bomb. Escalante. Barroso. Open jump. Short air ball. Rebound on the machine gun. Tapa. Nice pass outside the atom bomb. Short. Tap. It's now Bistak. King James. Drive. Guarded by Kinichu Pikachu. The machine gun again. Now it is back-to-back turnover on this main. King James. La Flores. Bren. Escape. Stop up. Block. Bren again. Second time around. Block again. The machine gun. Machine gun now. Rebound. Baseball pass. Third time around to Atom Bomb. Bang! Atom Bomb. Escalante. 2-0. King James, running stop. Foul. First personal foul. That Tumbam Escalante. First against Biswin. 14 is set clock 14. King James. Drive, stop. King James again. King James, right hand to shoot. Stop. Flores. Bad shoot. Now, it's turnover again on the skilled movers. 8 minutes. Pikachu, Kinichu.
Grabe kupeto.
Machine gun. Captain Minel. Air ball. Oh! The running MVP Omago. 4-0. The 4-0 run coming from Bismin. King James. Kagad Pikachu. Kinichu. Flores. Nice foul. And back-to-back turnover on this stop. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Pikachu. Kinichu. Captain Medal. Same spot. What a pass! And Delphis Papa Kinichu Pikachu to Atom Bomb Escalante. 6-0. Barroso. Top. It's Tickman. Tickman again. Pass to Bren. It's Bren. Oh! What a pass from Tickman to Bren. It's 6-2. 4-point lead on Biswin. The machine gun now. Let me try. 2-stroke. Up. Oh! Bren! It's Bistak 4, Bistak 5 minutes and 41 seconds. King James. What a move by King James, too strong. Now top the middle. It's Kinichu Pikachu. Pikachu looking for nice pass outside in Pikachu. Too strong by Pikachu. King James. 1-1. It's King James to Tickman. Yes, and Tickman now 6-4 to 2-point lead now on Biswin. 5 minutes.
Tres?
9 against 4.
Sino? Sino ang tres? Okay.
Yung talaga na ang katibol.
In and out. Captain Middle. Baseball pass. Reverse steal on King James to Tickman. Too strong. Give up by Barroso. Barroso now. 1-1 by Captain Middle. Barroso take. Ah! by Captain Minel. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. It's now Pikachu. Masigan tap to atom bomb. Bang! The atom bomb coming from the Masigan 11-4. The 7-point lead now, and this means 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Bren. Flores. Pikachu. Baseball pass again. It's a atom bomb. Bang! Escalante. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Bren. Short top. Same ball, 14 sets shot clock, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. Barroso. Foul on number 27 on the reigning MVP of Mako. His first and Mako first team foul on this mean. Second team foul on this mean. 5-3, 5-13. 8-point lead against Bismin. It's 2 out of 2 coming from Barroso. Kick-out pass, Captain Minel, all alone. Riba now on the Tickman. Nice pass to Masigan now. On the Masigan. 16 against 6. 3 minutes. King James. Mo King James, guarded by 2. King James now, guarded by 2 by 3. Same ball, 10 seconds to shoot, 10 seconds. It's Bismin ball, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Baseball pass again. The Masigan, passing down now at 18 against 6. The 12-point lead of Bismin, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Still again the Masigan. It's Captain Minel, 3-on-1. Captain Minel is go short, rebound Flores. Now Flores now, right now Flores. 3-on-2, 4-on-2, Flores, short, rebound, Pikachu. It's out the bomb. Yes, now 26, 14-point lead on Bismin. King James, Bren, hey, too deep. Bren again. Second time around, Tickman. Bang! It's Tickman. 40 seconds. Captain Minel on alone again. Short top. Machine gun again. Scoop. Short top. Rebound again on the running MVP. Umpano. Air ball. 20 seconds. 10. 5. First quarter score is 28. Now 12-point lead against Bismin. Second quarter. Second quarter tayo. Stop ball, stop. When movers ball. Okay. Pikachu. CJ. The bad boy, too strong. King James.
Baligyan at balot ito eh.
Now, Tickman. Brent, big. Pass down tight. It's Barroso. While a pass coming from Brent to Tickman. It's 10 to 20. 10-point lead on Bisbee. 9 minutes and 28 seconds. St. Martin de Forest. CJ. Rebound on Tickman. King James. Guarded by St. Martin de Forest. Guarded by 2. Asol. Arras. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 8 minutes. Brent. Whoa! Back-to-back shot now coming from Bistak. It's 12 against the 20. Now Pikachu, Kinichu. CJ. Bang! Long 2. Coming from CJ. Barroso. Brent. Now the Gladiator. Running Simbaco, the Gladiator at first basket shot of the Gladiator on Simbaco. Now the bad boy. Wow! 1-1 with the bad boy. Still now. Looking for St. Martin de Forest. The passing gun. Scoop, short top. Rebound on King James. Now King James running, gunning, looking for the Gladiator top. It's Tickman top, short, Tickman again, second time around top. Rebound on St. Martin de Forest. St. Martin de Forest looking for the bad boy. Ow! But now it's foul. Foul on number 8. On Barroso, it's first on Barroso, first team foul on Bistak. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Top is still 10 seconds to do. 10. It's traveling violation on St. Martin de Forest. Now King James. Pass outside. Tickman, rebound on the machine gun now. It's St. Martin de Forest. It's 4-2. St. Martin top. Favorite shot. Pull-up shot. Too strong. Rebound top. It's now Pikachu Chinchu. Now it's 2-1. Now it's foul. Foul on number 08 on the Gladiator. First on the Gladiator. Second on the Gladiator. Second team foul on Bistak. It's 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Pikachu Kinichu. Air ball. Wow! It's the machine gun. Right place at the right time. On the machine gun. Barroso. Now King James. Guarded by Pikachu. 10 seconds to shoot. Brent. Steal. Now Pikachu all alone. Pikachu Kinichu to strong top. It's one again. Pikachu. It's now skilled worker ball. Skilled worker. 5 minutes remaining time. Gladiator to King James. King James scoop to scoop. Pass Brent. Rebound on the bad boy. Now 1-1. Pikachu Kinichu. Pikachu pace right now. 26 seconds to 13. It's a 12-point lead on Bisbee. Tickman. Now Barroso. Wow, where are you, bad boy? It's foul.
First.
First personal foul against the machine gun season. First team foul Bisbee.
15, tama.
14 na 26.
15 na.
15 against 26. Now 2 out of 2 coming from Barroso. It's 26 to 16. A 10-point lead on Bisbee. Bang! 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 Nothing but a broken net by CJ.
29.
Barroso, Bren, 10 seconds to shoot. Top. Now CJ. Kinicho Pikachu, looking for the bad boy and selfish man para pabaju na Masiyan, season 31 against 16.
Time out.
Time out tayo? Oh, sige, time out kami sir.
Pag sure dia.
It's Barroso.
Kumaya dong.
2 minutes and 30. Shide. Time out. On the stop, 34 against 18. It's a 12-point lead, 14-point lead on Bismi.
Grabe yung pao mo.
Ikaw na po dahil ron dili ang kwan.
Oo. May event kami bukas. Ay, may event kami bukas. Hindi ko alam anong oras ko makauwi. May event ako bukas.
Wala ka mga nailhim, oras yung gwapo, makagod ngayon.
Siyempre, na naman kayo buhok ron.
Nahurot na ganit.
King James. Now Pikachu, all alone by Pikachu. Kinicho now 36 against 18. It's an 18-point lead on Bismi. 2 minutes.
May dalawa ko sa punchi bukas sa Delta.
Ay,
Oo, Kakarigia.
Whoa! What a great move again by Barroso. The bad ball short. One minute and 27 seconds.
ilom ng buang.
10 seconds to shoot. Five. Oh, Bren. 1 minute. $59 seconds, 59. Barroso. King James. 38 seconds, 14 to shoot.
Paano pa kanya parehas mo lang? Dapat lang po tayo pa. Kung naglaro si...
38 seconds. 30. What a move coming from King James. 25 seconds.
Okay, wala na time out.
20. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Short. 5 seconds. Gladiator. What a move coming from the Gladiator. And now for second quarter, it's 26 against 36. So, bawas-bawas muna tayo. Bawas-bawas.
Ano to?
Oh, bawas-bawas muna tayo about teams. Bawas-bawas.
1834?
Ako di.
Ha? 34?
6 with 6. Yan na, St. James.
26, 36. Tama.
Mike, reserve 2 minutes sa Bruas.
Welcome.
Saan may gayang Ibrahim dahil?
Ano siya, nakunat ng mga 100 lang.
100? Bayad na, wait, taran. Sige, pero bayad.
Ina si Brema.
Alam na ni Mike. Pulipod na yun eh.
Bukan ito, bukan na.
36-26, third quarter, third. Only 10-point lead on this team.
Magic 4? Pila na may daog ninyo?
Bistak ball, bistak.
Waiting na. Pila pa mga game ninyo? Pila pa ka game?
Bistak ball, bistak.
Okay na. Waiting pa na. Kaya pa nag-waiting.
Kailan na ba? Paano sa ikaw?
Pag-what sa...
Ano na, pag alam.
Hindi pa natin.
Dito. Ito mo dito. Wala mo gulabdi. Nakagayro ko sa under.
Ito yung bula.
Third quarter, bistak ball.
Umaya, boss mo.
King James. Still on the bad boy. The bad boy now running goes the goal short by the bad boy. Barroso. Stop. Nice defense on Umago. Fake. Barroso. 28-36. Now 8-point lead on Bismin. Roaring now reigning MVP of Makop. Third to song. Makop again. Now the bad boy. Now it's 0 out of 11 by the bad boy. Bren. What a move by Bren. 30-36. It's now 36-point lead now. Against Brisbane.
Turnover Ay.
Umago. Out of bomb. Short. Now bad boy. Wow. Great move by the bad boy sa St. Fred. Now 38-30.
Anong ipuntos? Pwede na bumilikot.
Pwede na saban.
Barroso. In James. Drive. As the Fred. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound on Remy MVP. Baseball pass. Intercepted by Flores. Flores to King James. King James carried by now set on the Flores. Bren now. Looking for Barroso. Barroso now is the rebound of Captain Minel. Now Bren. 23. Rebound on Captain Minel. Now Captain Minel now running. Is the bad boy. Bad boy. Oh, short. Now Gladiator, King James, looking for Bren. Yes on Bren, 32-38, 6-point lead on Brisbane. St. Martin de Porres, reigning MVP, Umago. 10 seconds to shoot, Captain Minel. Rebound on the bad boy, right place at the right time. On the bad boy, Ross. 6 minutes and 25 seconds, 40-32, only 8-point lead on Bismin. Gladiator. Oh, miscommunication now by skill workers. Skill movers. My fault. Skill movers. Wow, St. Martin de Torres. Still on the bad boy. Captain Miguel. Count. Bren. Now Barroso. 4-on-3, 4-on-2. Barroso to King James. Gladiator fake. Is Flores. Shoot. Rebound on Umagum. Now it's St. Martin de Porres to run. Captain Miguel all alone. In and out again, Captain Miguel. St. Martin de Porres fake. Bad boy. Walang pass from the bad boy to Otobong. 44 to 32. 1-point lead on Bisbee. King James. Still by Omagum. It's still on. It's double goal.
Wala pa ka? Wala na?
Stepping on the line on the Gladiator, Simbako.
Halal to? Ha?
Tura ko naman.
St. Martin de Torres. It's 4 minutes and 28 seconds. It's 46 to 32. Kick now. Now St. Martin de Torres. Drives pass to Antong Bomb. Bang! Antong Bomb. It's a 4-0 run coming from Bisbee. 3 reverse. 3-2. Black by Omagum. Now it's the bad boy. Running. Bad boy. Nowhere to pass. Bad boy. Hit go by the bad boy. Ross. 3 minutes. King James. Gladiator. Omagum again. Looking for the bad boy. 2-1. Selfish pass and selfish pass to bad boy. Time out. On the stop. 52 to 38. It's an 8-point lead run coming from Bisbee. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Honor Sports, #1 sportswear on Abu Dhabi, Steel Movers, owned and managed by King James, and our two referee for tonight, Referee Romel and Jomo in action.
Ano ba to?
Kanina ka kumain, gato na kumain mo.
Ha?
Kanina ka kumain, gato ka.
Parang nagutom ako eh.
Puro ganyan sila. Ganyan mo sila. Kaya bukas na. Wala lang ito. Kaya dito. Ako nga, ako tsapon sa dito.
Kaya mo sa Delta, puting yan, di nagbabayad.
Maroon ka ng pito.
Oh, it's the Gladiator, Simbako. 52 to 34. 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Now the Gladiator now, 3-on-1. Gladiator to Nava. Back to Gladiator. Gladiator all alone now, 36 to 52. He's 60-point lead now against Bisbee. Nice shot. 54 to 36. 2 minutes. Nava. Favorite shot. Air ball against Nava. 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining time. Lower third quarter. Now it's St. Martin de Torres running, looking for the bad boy. Bad boy stop. Pull out jumper. Short. Rebound on Gladiator. It's 3-2. The Gladiator now drive. Gladiator goes to coast. Is foul. All on the reigning MVP, Omagum. First on the reigning MVP, second team foul on this minute, 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Si Baro, hindi kayo ba mag-sub? 1 minute.
Nice one!
37-54.
Suno no? Suno na ka siya.
It's 1 out to 2 coming from the Gladiator, Simbako. Down. Nava. Bren. Bren. 39-54. 15-point lead now. This means 1 minute remaining time. St. Martin de Torres. Looking for earning MVP, Omagos. Pass to Atubang. Kick out pass, Captain Midel. 10 seconds to shoot. 10. Still on Nava. Nava now got him by St. Martin de Porres. Looking for the pick man. Pick man now to Brent. Brent, stop up. Brent. Again, too strong tap on Atubang. 45 seconds. It's now the bad boy. Bad boy. Ross. 25 seconds.
6 na.
Hey! Foul. Foul on the reigning MVP of Maccabi. Second team foul on Bismin first. Against the reigning MVP of Maccabi.
Baliktad. First. Pagas lang yan. So you can stop lead.
25 seconds. Second game, third quarter. It's Bismin versus Bistak. Wow, skilled movers. 20. Again, this game coming from the Radiator, Simbaco.
51.
10 seconds. And how about third quarter, our score? 56-41. 15-point lead on Bismin Nadalcos.
Manamunag din yung paningot mo.
Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter.
Sige. Kasab lang ako ah. Hindi ako titigil, hindi ako makashoot.
Fourth quarter, we'd like to thank our major sponsors for tonight. It's Skilled Movers. Skilled Movers, all banned and managed by King James. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. It's Bismin ball, Bismin.
Huwag mo gamit ha.
Expired na.
Yung paggamiton mo, tama.
10 to shoot. CJ. Short. Now it's Barroso. Captain Midel is the machine gun. Rebound ng Barroso. Now Barroso now running, looking for Nava. All around to deep and Nava, 43. Against the 56. This score sheet by Rico Disposition. Brought to you by Skilled Movers. On and managed by King James. Basketballista by Color Sports. And Chewy Abu Dhabi. Now it's Gladiator time. Gladiator now doing the work. It's now Captain Midel. Captain Midel looking for the machine gun. Pikachu, Kirichu. Pikachu tapak to machine gun. Still now kay Barroso. All around, Kickman. Oh! Kickman again. Yes, on Kickman. 45 to 56. 11-point lead now. Against Bisbee. Close. Omagos, pick, right? Nice move, the winning MVP, rebound again on Barroso. Now Barroso now, guarded by Barroso all alone. Barroso drive, stop up, guarded by, now it's Nava. Nava time, in and out, Barroso top, it's the Gladiator, time out. On Bismi now, 47 to 56, a 9-point lead. On Bismi. Again, we'd like to thank our two referees for tonight's referee, Joe in action, and Romel from New Zealand. 7 minutes and 26 seconds last quarter per second game. For our inter-province categories, Bismi Nadalcos versus Bistak. Skilled Movers.
Isa na lang.
Kapag gamiton mo.
Pikachu, Captain Medel. Again, Captain Medel, 0 out of 5 for the 3-point shot. Now Makov, 10 to shoot. Captain Medel again. Now it's Makov. Nice ball! What a pass, what a play! Coming from Bismin. It's 58 to 47. Back to 11-point lead on Bismin in 6 minutes. Bang! You can't guard a big man. 49 against 50. Now Pikachu, Captain Medel. Closer, drive, left-handed drive. Now it's first left-handed drive by Captain Medel. It's Nava. Nava now looking for the Gladiator. Fake. Gladiator escape. 51 to 58 to 7-point lead now. On Bismin Adelpos, it's Pikachu running. It's foul. Foul on Nava. Substitution. First personal foul on Nava. First team foul on Skilled Movers.
Oh, sure na yun, ha?
Top! Michigan. 14 seconds clock. Great smile from the Michigan. Season 60-51. Back to 9-point lead. On Bismin. Flores. Bang! Nothing but board. Coming from Flores. CJ. Bang, 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 bang. On CJ. Back to 10-point lead on Bismin. 62-53. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Nava. Bang, 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 bang. Nava is running 3 on Najda. It's 56 against 53.
Tama.
Wala.
CJ. Pikachu. Drive. Stop. Take the shoot. Wow. What a play. Blind pass by Pikachu to the Michigan. Back to 9-point lead on Bismin. 4 minutes. 65 to 56. Flores.
Butas.
Shoot! It's Tickman! Right place to the right hand. It's still by Gladiator. Now Tickman. The Gladiator now. Looking for Nava. Nava, 1-1 by CJ. Nava, left it dive. Nice foul! Nice defense on the bad boy. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Only 7-point lead now. On Bismin. Gladiator, Nava. In and out top. It's Barroso. 40 seconds. Nice pass. Tickman. Rian on the bad boy. Now the bad boy now running. Bad boy stop up. Looking for Pikachu. 2 minutes. Pikachu. Bad boy stop. 5 to shoot. Too strong. Tap. It's rebound by the Gladiator. Now it's Nava. All alone. Nava. Bang! 60 to 65 is a 5-point lead now. Bismin. Pikachu. Drive. Pikachu escape. Is foul. Foul on the number 8 on the Gladiator. Substitution up. It's 13 foul on the Gladiator. Second on the stop.
Sino
Moving
foul?
close out by Pikachu.
Sino foul? Ha?
Basket substitution there. Basket substitution 66 to 66 point lead. On Bismin Adelpos 1 minute and 47 seconds. It's 1 out of 2 coming by Pikachu. It's foul. Foul on Tickman. It's 13 foul. Substitution there.
First Tickman.
First personal foul on Tickman.
Sinong unang foul?
10! Bang! Money, money, money! Gladiator! Flores! Nice pass by Flores to... Now Pikachu. Masigan. Too deep. Barroso, Latitra, Barroso! Oh, big man! 62 to 68. 6 point lead now to Smith. 55 seconds.
Wala.
50. Take the shoot. Short. Tigman. Nava. Gladiator. Gladiator. It's Bismin Bobby Spain. 36 seconds remaining time. Only 6-point lead on Bismin. 68 against 62. 30 seconds. 25. 20. 15. 10 seconds to shoot. 17 to 62. 5 seconds. Short. And now the game winner is Bismin 17 to 62.